Hello, don't throw away your old paint cans and 20-gallon water containers. Today I'm going to show you how to use them to grow zucchini. Simple and effective. This method is low cost and zero waste. First, I will prepare the soil for sowing seeds. To enrich the soil, I use vermicompost, a type of fertilizer with good antibacterial properties and is non-toxic, to mix into the soil for planting seedlings. We can propagate zucchini in quantity as needed, and today I will use plastic baskets to germinate the seeds. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the videos, and visit my channel often. Thank you. After sowing the seeds, we spray water evenly to keep moist and leave the pot in a cool place to help the seeds germinate easily. While waiting for the seeds to germinate, I will prepare the planting pot. The amount of materials depends on your needs. I used a paint bucket, a 20-liter water tank, and plastic pipes to make an automatic watering system for plants. I cut the top of the 20-liter water tank down to about 20 centimeters. Then I used plastic water pipes to connect them together to create an automatic watering system. To keep the plants from getting waterlogged, I used a heat gun to punch holes in the paint bucket, punched holes in the top of the water bucket, and placed a wet towel in the middle of the bucket to let the water seep through and keep the plants moist. Zucchini is rich in antioxidants, which help protect digestive health, improve heart health, and strengthen bones. We should regularly improve family dishes with zucchini to improve health. Zucchini does not take up much space when grown, so using these ingredients to grow helps reduce costs and avoid waste. You can be proactive in family meals when you have delicious zucchini right in the garden. After preparing the materials, I will prepare the soil for planting. I use a little buffalo manure mixed into the soil, helping the soil to have enough nutrients from the beginning, helping the plant absorb and grow. We need to mix the soil very loosely. Please subscribe to the channel, like, and comment below the video. Thank you very much. We put soil into the pot, need to put enough soil to leave a planting distance of 7 to 10 centimeters. Avoid letting the soil overflow. After 7 days of germination, the zucchini seeds are healthy. Now I will start planting them in containers. Zucchini plants have spongy, fragile stems, so when planting, avoid damaging the plant. Plant gently, at a moderate depth so that the plant has enough strength to grow. With this automatic watering method, plants will not be damaged, always maintain stable humidity, and are easy to care for. Thanks to the care that keeps the soil loose, 25 days after planting, the zucchini is green and healthy. During this period, we need to supplement nutrients for the plant. I will fertilize each plant with a moderate amount of worm castings. In addition, I also use energy drinks mixed with water and spray evenly on the plants. Please subscribe to the channel, like, and comment below the video. Thank you very much. Garlic is very effective in stimulating plant growth, stimulating flowering, germination, and repelling insects, preventing pests and killing mold. Therefore, when the plant is mature, I often use garlic mixed with water to incubate before taking care of the plant. After 3 hours, the garlic will release beneficial minerals and acids into the water. I will pour the garlic water into a spray bottle and spray evenly on the plants. Please subscribe to the channel, like, and comment below the video. Thank you very much. Great! Just by using old discarded items, I can grow zucchini on the terrace, producing big and beautiful fruits. Now we can enjoy delicious dishes from zucchini. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the videos, and visit my channel often. Thank you.